Sorry guys, but that was just I got a phone call from Jay Ripham Trublay from Blue Blend himself. So I'm gonna go with the one again. His hair is going this way at an angle, so I'm gonna use 4 to 5 teeth right here to blend it. And again, the one thing that hasn't changed with me and my style of cutting hair is I'm not a wrist kind of guy. I don't use too much wrist. I use more like my elbow and my shoulders right here. And I will see that. Oh. Is it recording? Yep, it is. All right. So let me go back to this other side right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and open it all the way up. I'm gonna cut this way now because this is how I'm used to cutting hair. Nobody has the same way to cut hair. Everybody has their own different style and their own different technique. Hold on, give me 1 second. No, no worries. This is my last one right now, and off to Fourth of July.
Oh,
Sorry about that. Yeah, we're normally closed too on holidays.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Bye. So it is 4th of July again, and somebody just asked for a haircut, and I didn't want. I'm working on this YouTube video right now. Y'all matter to me. So now that's gone. I'm gonna go ahead and get my Babyliss, right? And I'm gonna get the number 1, and then I'm gonna go. It says 1.2 millimeters. I'm gonna click that thing all the way up. And one of the reasons why I like using this clipper is because I love hearing the crispiness. It almost sounds like a master clipper cutting through hair, and I love hearing the crunch of the haircut, right? Can you guys hear that? It's amazing. I love that. And it's just satisfying to me to hear that noise. So, as you guys see, I'm continuously using my comb, continuously, to move down the hair, to wipe the hair away, everything like that. Now I'm gonna open it up all the way to the 0.8 millimeter. And now it's covering more ground. Now it's doing what I want it to do. And again, for those of you that don't know how I cut, and this is your first time tuning in, I like to fade downwards. So I make all my guidelines, and then I fade downwards, right? So let me go over this part again, because through the video it looks like this part's dark, but in my eye in front of me, I can't see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it all the way back up to the 0.8 millimeter. And I'm gonna take this line away. Just like that. Almost not really trying to make another guideline, but I'm kind of like grazing the hair and like reading the hair. And you'll see me like flipping these switches a lot. Now it's all the way closed. I fully don't understand like all the different ones, but it's all about feeling when it comes to cutting hair, and it's all about like what the clipper actually does that makes you do certain moves and stuff like that. So I go with whatever works for me. Now it's all the way closed. He looks good right there. I'm gonna go ahead and now get my baby brush again. Get that off. Since I'm only gonna do one side, I'm just gonna get the rest. I'm just gonna do this one half right here. take care of all the other little hairs because I am gonna go straight into the bronze. I cut hair different. I cut hair the way that I want to cut hair. You guys cut hair the way that you guys want to cut hair. I just want to like guide you guys, and also revamp my name in the YouTube world. I don't need you guys to tell me to make YouTube videos or whatever. Like, I'm gonna make videos whenever I want, whenever I have time, or whenever the time is right. And I feel like today the time is right because nobody's here cutting one of my best friends' hair that I've been knowing for over 25 years. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Caking is Chewy, that's his dad. I'm gonna go with the bronze now. And what I'm doing right here is I'm not going as high as I did with the balding part with the Babyliss liners, but I am gonna kind of drop it down a little bit because I want to see like the shadows, the different shadows that was made. It's just for my own personal preference, what I like to see for myself and what I like looking at, and the things that I see that on like social media and stuff like that, and the style that people cut hair with and things like that. Like this is all to my own eye, to my own knowledge. And then I'm also gonna kind of corner cut a lot of these little areas, so I'm not making a hard line. It got down, you guys can see it, it got down, but what I'm gonna do now is, so these are my hitters, my skeleton, T-outliner, ProMate blade, whatever it is. These are my hitters. This is what I use for the lineups. This is what I use to also blend out the bottom line. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch. I'm pulling the skin now. As you can see, I'm pulling the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm only using the corner of this right side to blend this. And for those of you that are wondering why it's cut out like this, I didn't understand it fully until I got one myself. And these were actually given to me. And honestly, dude, like these are great for finger leverage on your fingers like that, you know. And also you can see every single like hair that's cutting. And I don't know, I just like the way that it looks. But as far as performance, it's a 10 out of 10. These are my favorite liners. I don't think I can ever put these liners away. I'm always going to use these liners. So, that whole one side is done. I've yet to get to the other side yet, but it is going to be all the steps that I just took right here. This is what you will use on the opposite side. And that's pretty much it for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram. Peace.